Now, the overall cryptocurrency market is getting hit pretty hard today. We've got Bitcoin down around $19,700. We've got Ethereum around $1,500 per coin. But man, I'm going to tell you what, Terra Luna Classic doesn't care what the overall crypto market is doing. Terra Luna Classic is soaring up around 15,000 points per coin. And guys, it doesn't seem like it wants to stop. This is the level that we tested a couple of weeks ago and fell back down when we were running higher. And if we break this level, 22,000 points per coin is the next and last level of resistance on the chart, and we could absolutely rocket higher in a very quick period of time. So I want to talk about some of the staking numbers, go over all of these updates and things like that, and talk about the possibility of breaking out and really going on a massive run here very soon. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And if you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you want to go out and get Terra Luna Classic before you think it's too late, KuCoin has it available. And the crazy thing is they allow you to trade it on leverage. All right, so if you expect Terra Luna Classic to double in price, you can actually trade it on 5x leverage and 5x your money instead. Just be careful though, because if you're trading on 5x leverage, yes, you can make 5 times the amount, but you can lose 5 times the amount as well. So just be very careful if you guys want to use KuCoin. And then, like any centralized exchange right now, I'm going to tell you, if you don't plan on trading, if you just plan on buying and holding on there, think about holding on cold storage. I don't like what these centralized exchanges are doing and treating customers as lenders. Nonetheless, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic, guys, and what is happening right now. I'm sorry, I got to clear my throat again. What is happening right now with this price, because it is absolutely soaring higher. You know, it's crazy when we go from 10,000 to 11,000 to 12,000, 13, 14, 15,000 points per coin, and it kind of seems like we're just slowly creeping up. It's slightly less exciting, I get it, but guys, this is the level that we need to break. When Terra Luna Classic ran from basically 4,000 points per coin to 16,000 points per coin several weeks ago, it proved too much. And that from the 16,000 level, it fell to 12, 11, 10. Really loved that 10,000 point per coin mark. Dropped to about 8,000 points per coin. And since then, we've been rallying higher on the news of staking and on this burn tax. So if we're able, let's go over some of the technical levels of resistance very quickly, and then we're going to jump into the staking update as well as the burn update. If we are able to break through this 15 to 16,000 point per coin mark on Terra Luna Classic, the next major level of resistance, this is technically speaking, right? We can add another one in there if news comes out or if people take profits and so on. 22,000 points per coin. From where we're at right now, it would be roughly another, I don't know, 40% gain, 50% gain in value, and that is excellent, right? Another 40 to 50% gain would be incredible. But here's the thing. If we break through that mark, if you pull out a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, and you go back to when we fell from $100 per coin, the only level of resistance left on the chart, it would be, guys, this is the crazy part, until we get to 0.006. That is basically 1/2 of a cent. Can you imagine Terra Luna Classic just going on a technical run and running all the way up to 1/2 cent? I mean, look, I'm going to be the first to admit that is very, very lucrative. That's very hard to believe. That would be an extreme reward in a very nice run. But nonetheless, it is an absolute possibility if it's a pure technical run, because there's no levels left on the chart. We could absolutely see it retest the next level of resistance, and therefore we could see some massive gains in a very short period of time. And I know guys, that has to be exciting. Because just think about the number of Terra Luna Classic you own, and if it reaches half a cent, how much that's going to transfer into dollars. It's wild to begin to think about. How do we get there? Exactly what we're doing right now. Building back this blockchain. We've got the staking re-enabled, and I've even seen some stuff I've even seen some stuff from Binance floating around out there that they are re-enabling staking as well. And it looks like you're going to have roughly a 2% APY, or annual percentage yield, on that. So if you do want to stake with Binance, 2% is better than no percent, right? Especially if you plan on holding long term. But 2% is sustainable. It is doable. It is not these numbers that are 80, 90, 200% that a lot of these newer coins push out there. And of course, they're not able to sustain those levels. So Binance looks like it's ready to be on board with the staking of Terra Luna Classic. How much staking has gone on so far? Roughly 6% of the entire supply, or 400 billion Terra Luna Classic, have been staked up to this point. Guys, that number is going to grow. People are still allowed to stake. One of the things floating around out there, I've mentioned it in the last couple videos, but if you guys are interested in staking, the majority of coins have been staked with, I think, 5 different validators right now. So people are calling, well, maybe look at some of the smaller validators, put some with the large ones, some with the small guys. And basically what that does is it spreads out the voting power. What you don't want to see happen is, 1, maybe 2 validators controlling the entire vote. I mean, if they have 50% of the vote, they basically own the blockchain and can control what goes on with it. So just be aware of who you're staking with if you decide to do so, and go over the pros and cons. If Terra Luna Classic shoots up to a penny tomorrow and you're staked, you're not going to be able to sell your coins and take advantage of that run. You're just going to have to sit there and hope that it doesn't fall back down before your tokens become unstaked, or your coins become unstaked, sorry. So a lot to think about there, but guys, September is going to be a huge month for Terra Luna Classic with the 1.2% burn tax. It's all of these things are great. All of them are able to help Terra Luna Classic in and of itself, but I have to remind everybody, what we're seeing here with a rebuilding of a destroyed coin is worth more than the 1.2% burn tax. It's worth more than staking. We have a community that is working together to take this coin back to the next level and hopefully get it beyond $100. Don't think that that's an impossibility if we're looking 5-10 years down the road to see the supply diminished and utility restored. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic absolutely tearing it up and going against the grain of the crypto market right now. 15,000 points per coin. Absolutely awesome. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Weeble. You're getting 6 free stocks on Weeble. You got KuCoin. You can trade on Leverage if you want to trade. They get a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of new ones and small ones as well if you want to check them out. And then ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.